तो आज हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं क्लास 10th का एसिड बेस एंड साल्ट्स यूनिट का दूसरा लेक्चर, that is Bronsted concept of acids and bases. We have discussed Arrhenius concept and its application. Now Bronsted concept, Lowry-Bronsted concept, Lowry-Bronsted concept, Lowry-Bronsted concept of acids and bases, Lowry-Bronsted concept of acids and bases. Now see, this concept is also known as proton donor acceptor concept, proton donor acceptor concept. It's proton donor acceptor concept. What is proton? It's H positive ion. Proton donor acceptor concept. Acceptor concept. According to Lowry-Bronsted concept, an acid is a species which donates proton, which is a proton donor, which donates proton, or proton donor species is acid. Proton donor species is a Bronsted acid, and Bronsted base is a species which accepts proton, proton acceptor species. A proton acceptor species is Bronsted base. Now Lowry-Bronsted concept is based on proton donor acceptor concept. According to this concept, an acid is a species which donates proton, which gives H positive ion, and a base is a species which accepts H positive ion. Now let us explain it with the help of examples. What is this? Let us take certain substances. Let us take HF. Let us take HF, HCl, HBr. This is very important concept, and HI. Now see, according to Bronsted concept, an acid is a species which gives proton. Now see, there is the electronegativity difference between hydrogen and fluorine. Fluorine is more electronegative than hydrogen. Therefore, the bonded pair of electron will be shifted towards fluorine. We can get F minus plus H plus. Therefore, HF furnishes H positive ion. It is Bronsted acid. A species which gives H positive ion, that's a Bronsted acid. Now see, HCl, therefore we get Cl negative over here, plus we get H positive. HCl furnishes H positive ion, therefore it is Bronsted acid. What is Arrhenius acid? Arrhenius acid was species which give H positive ions, therefore all Arrhenius acids are Bronsted acids. Bronsted acid also gives H positive ion. Now see, in this case we get Br minus plus H positive. See, in this case we get I minus plus H positive. Now see, in all these cases, HF, HCl, HBr, HI, all of them furnish H positive ions. Therefore, HF, HCl, HBr, HI, these are Bronsted acids. This is an acid, this is an acid, this is an acid, this is an acid. Now, why this is an acid? Because it furnishes H positive ion. And we get a negatively charged species. This negatively charged species is called Bronsted base. This is a base, this is a base, and this is a base. Now why F negative is a base? Because F negative can react with this H positive ion. It can form HF back. Now a species which accepts proton, that's a base. Therefore negatively charged species are bases. These are all Bronsted bases. Now therefore I can write this reaction like this, means forward reaction and backward reaction can also take place. These can combine together, they will form back acids. Now this is a Bronsted acid, and this is its base. This is Bronsted acid, this is its base. This is Bronsted acid, this is its base. This is Bronsted acid, this is its base. What is the difference between this acid and this base? Or what is the difference between this acid and this base? What is the difference between this acid and this base? What is the difference between this acid and this base? I think the only difference between this acid and this base is it has hydrogen attached to it. It has no hydrogen. The difference is only that of the proton. That proton has been released. The difference is only that of proton. This is an acid. This is a base. They differ by proton. Such acid and base pairs which differ by proton, they are known as conjugate acid base pairs. Now here comes a new concept, that's concept of conjugate acid base pair. Conjugate acid base pair. Conjugate acid base pair. Now what is conjugate acid base pair? It is acid base pair which differ only by means of single proton. Single proton. Acid base pair which differ only by one proton. Acid base pair which differ by only one proton. It has proton, it does not have proton. HCl has proton, Cl minus does not have proton. HBr is an acid, it has proton. Br minus is a base, it does not have proton. They are known as conjugate acid base pairs. Then conjugate acid base pair is acid base pair which differ by proton. Which differ by proton. Questions are asked in competitive exams from this concept, which differ by proton. Therefore, HF is an acid. What will be its conjugate base? Its conjugate base will be F negative, because this is a base, negatively charged species. This is acid, they differ by proton. Similarly, HCl is an acid, its conjugate base will be Cl negative. Similarly, HI is an acid, its conjugate base will be I negative. Similarly, HBr is an acid, its conjugate base will be Br negative. If H2 is an acid, its conjugate base will be release one proton, remove one proton, we get OH negative. It will be its conjugate base. If for example NH4 plus is an acid, release one proton released, there remains only 3 hydrogen, then its conjugate base becomes NH3. This is the concept of conjugate acid base pair. Now in the concept of conjugate acid base pair, there is a very important crux. We get very important crux from this, that is, stronger the acid, weak will be its conjugate base. Now write down this is very important. Stronger the acid, weaker will be its conjugate base. Weaker will be its conjugate base. Weaker will be its conjugate base. See, we have taken HF, we have taken HCl, we have taken HBr, we have taken HI. Now which among them is strongest acid? And acid is a species which gives proton. Therefore, the weaker the bond between hydrogen and this is, the more easily hydrogen can be released. The acidic nature will depend upon tendency to release H positive ion. Tendency to release H positive ion will depend upon strength of this bond. If this bond is very strong, then H positive ion cannot be released easily. If H positive ion could not be released easily, acidic character will be less. Therefore, if the bond between hydrogen and this species, it is weak bond, then hydrogen can be easily released. If hydrogen is easily released, H positive ion is easily released, more will be acidic strength. Now on moving from top to bottom, what happens? Size increases. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, size increases. Iodine is very large in size, hydrogen is very small in size. Since this is large in size, bond formed between hydrogen and iodine, it is weak bond. There is more polarization. This is weak bond. And this bond is strong bond, because the size of fluorine is small, bond formed between hydrogen and fluorine is strong. See, if this bond is strong, then hydrogen cannot be easily lost. Therefore, it is weak acid. Therefore, this will be strong acid. This will be weak acid. Weakest acid among these. The order of acidic nature will be, therefore, order of acidic nature will be HI will be more acidic, then HBr, then HCl, then HF. This question has been asked in competitive exams. Explain the order of, what is the order of acidic nature of these acids. Now why HI is strongest acid? Because bond between hydrogen and iodine is weak. It can be easily cleaved. H positive ion can be easily lost. A species which gives H positive ion is an acid. The more easily it can give H positive ion, more is the acidic character. Now what is its conjugate base? We differ by a proton. Release proton from this. I negative is the conjugate base. Br negative is a conjugate base. Cl negative is a conjugate base. F negative is a conjugate base. Now there is a general trend. Stronger the acid, weaker is its conjugate base. HI is a strong acid. I negative will be weak base. Therefore, basic strength will be like this. This is order of basic strength. Order of basic strength. And this is order of acidic strength. Order of acidic strength. Now last year a question has been asked, what is the conjugate base of water and HF? HF, this has been asked in last year NEET exam. Now conjugate base बनाने के लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ता है, सिर्फ हाइड्रोजन को लॉस करना है. इसमें हाइड्रोजन को लॉस करो ये F नेगेटिव बनेगा, इसमें एक हाइड्रोजन को लॉस करो ये OH नेगेटिव बनेगा. This is the conjugate base of water, this is the conjugate base of HF. Thanks for watching this lecture. This was very important lecture. Lowry-Bronsted concept of acids and bases. In this concept, what we have studied, what are acids and bases according to Lowry concept, what's conjugate acid base pair, how can we determine the acidic strength of acids and basic strength of bases. Thanks for watching.